Hey guys.
Hi y'all.
So we got this and slime. We buy it from the store. We went to the store with Brittany.
Yeah.
So
And we got some slime to make. It's crunchy slime, so that's gonna be fun. And
I wonder how it feels.
it's gonna feel good. It's gonna feel crunchy.
Yeah. This one is already open.
Yeah, I made this one the other day.
When I was gone.
Yeah, and that one, this one smells like watermelon, and this one smells like blue raspberry.
Hold on. This one. Oh yeah, it does. That's what it is. So move these out the way. Ah. Oh, we got three colors: green, purple, blue. Hey, Mama.
So,
What's the cool two colors we're gonna make?
we'll see.
Maybe.
So they have the green, purple, and blue paint. They have the little crunchy balls to go inside of it, the mixer kit and all of that, and then they have the slime activator.
Yeah.
And then they have the slime glue, which also we're gonna need some water. So Logan, can you go pour us some? Can you from the sink?
When I get
Okay,
down,
that's
it's
for
black,
after.
a little bit splashed out.
Okay, that's
I
okay.
got some popsicle sticks.
Yeah, to mix it.
Oh,
So the first thing we have to do
yeah.
is, let's see, measure 15 milliliters of clear glue using the measuring cup, and you're gonna pour it. So I'm gonna do this, and then I'll let you pour it in. Okay?
Okay.
15 milliliters. Where is it? Here we go. 15. We're at 15. Okay, let me open that back up. So now you pour it in here, and make sure you use this so you can get, well, you can go ahead and pour it. And then scrape it off the sides so it comes all out, but don't get it on the table.
And then
you're
gonna ask Brittany to watch this when my mama edit it.
And
then her gonna like this.
And excuse how I look, guys. I just, it's too hot. I couldn't do my hair, so yeah. This is what you get, a pony.
Tail.
Yeah. What's your face? You look so handsome. I missed you. Okay, that's good. Now, let's lay that right there. And let me wipe my finger. Now we have to measure 25 milliliters of water. Okay, now pour that in. Be very careful. Pour it in. Pour it all in. Okay, now sit that down. And now is the fun part, yeah. You get to add this.
Wait until you put this in the water. And it's a spoon. That's gonna mix it with. I wonder what this spoon is for.
To get the color out of these.
This time we're gonna do green and purple.
You're gonna do them together?
Yeah, so we got blue.
Pour just a little bit of those in there. Yep, that's good. That's good. There we go. Don't touch it with your fingers yet. And you are going to, let's see. Okay. You said you want to do green and blue? I mean green and purple?
Yeah.
Okay, do 2 spoons of that one and 2 spoons of that one. No, wrong way. No, it gotta be. Look, you gotta, let me see. grab a whole, whoa, I grabbed a little too much, and let it drop in there. Maybe we should just drop it in there, and now do the purple. Do some more. Do a little bit more. Okay. And now stir it up. Let me see. Now I add this. Make sure you're stirring it up good. Keep stirring. Keep stirring.
This is making something.
Oh, don't stir it to where it's gonna come out the bowl. Be careful. Look, it's coming out. Don't. Just stir it like this.
It's making a color.
Yep.
This is stuck.
You want Mommy to stir it?
It's something. It's making something big.
Yeah, it's making slime. Wait. You gotta keep stirring it. You okay? You getting sick? Uh-oh, I dropped some. That's the thing. You have to be careful or...
Mom. I was if we did green, purple. I was if we can do 3 colors. Green, purple, blue.
Yeah.
It will turn into dark. It will turn into dark. Dark. It will turn into red. Mom, that's how you did it? For these? Hi, Mom. You don't put it much in here. Oh. Oh, these went down in this one.
So it didn't make all the way right, but we have a little bit of it. Here you go.
Now we're going to put this.
In there. And I'm gonna try to make
a little bit faster. Oh, let's see. Let's see if it works.
I'm just gonna do it like this to get it to.
Mom, we got more than this now. Mom, what are you doing?
No, that one's already. Look, you can connect it now.
What?
And that, guys, is how we made our slime. There's a little bit of like water residue in here with color, but maybe we can actually hold one moment.
Wait. Now we can put some blue in there.
Yep.
Ha! Put the other stuff in there.
Okay. Okay, go ahead. You gotta make sure you do it from the middle to get it all to turn into. Look. Should have laid down a towel. Keep stirring. Maybe this is a better way to do it. To just stick your hands in it.
Mom, this is too much.
Too much slime?
Yeah, because look, it's too much.
It's okay. The top will hold it down.
What top? Where is it? It looks so bad. Mama, when you put that in the other one, just give me it.
Okay. This is another one we just made. Icy blue.
I think you needed water to get this.
And now we have a mess that we have to clean up.
Yeah.
And that's our last slime. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, give this video a big thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe. And you got anything?
Watch another. If you want to see us do another one, just
comment down below.
And we can go to it. Ask us when we can go to the store again and buy another one. We can do another one, buy a different one, and this one is gonna be it. And if you just want just to do levels, just let us know.
Yeah.
And then maybe y'all can. Okay.
And
I think they want us to do levels. Well, maybe this is gonna be for level 2.
Okay.
Cause you did 1,
So
maybe this is level 2. Miss, if you want to see level 2, just watch it again. And if you want to see level 3, and just watch all the levels.
And we'll see you guys in the next video.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.